Last year, a massive fire at the world's largest tire landfill in Kuwait made headlines worldwide, visible even from space. It showed the urgent need for recycling. Products like Aspire pavers turn old tires and plastic into building materials. They're perfect for patios, driveways, rooftops, and other spaces. Now let's talk about WallTite. It is a foam insulation that expands to form an airtight, moisture-resistant barrier. It blocks drafts, prevents water damage, and boosts energy efficiency. Its closed-cell structure also strengthens walls. For more, it is quick to apply and adaptable to irregular surfaces. Akfix offers advanced protective coatings designed to meet today's and tomorrow's needs. They cure quickly and resist chemicals and corrosion, forming a flexible membrane on surfaces like concrete, metal, and wood. Products like Polyurea 1044 are perfect for waterproofing and industrial floors, while FX 1044 adds flexibility. We often talk about Lego sets in our videos, but EcoMuret takes the idea further, using natural Belgian stone instead of plastic. Their modular blocks come in various sizes, letting you build straight, curved, or sloped walls up to 23 feet high. Detroit, famous for cars, has also starred in movies like Beverly Hills Cop and 8 Mile. Beyond its streets, the city hides architectural gems like the Exchange Building. At first glance, it seems ordinary, but it's the first U.S. tower built with lift build, a method that assembles floors on the ground and lifts them into place. Here we have a quick install tile system with interlocking joints. Made from porcelain stoneware, the tiles click into place for an instantly usable surface. They're easy to maintain and replace individually, and work on many surfaces, indoors or outdoors. StoneClip is a patented system that securely attaches stone panels and large tiles to vertical surfaces. Using steel clips, it supports heavy materials without stressing lower panels, offering adjustable sizes up to 16 millimeters and 880 pounds. For over 70 years, Alfred Miller Contracting has built industrial and commercial projects across North America. Their precast products, like pipe racks, trenches, and structural elements, are made off-site for consistent quality, faster installation, and safer work sites. Next one is tough, modular, and chemical resistant, handling temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Pans connect with gaskets to prevent leaks, directing spills to containment channels. Center pans hold 30 gallons, sides 25. UltraTrack berm quickly manages railcar leaks with 144-gallon capacity. Stegmeyer Company shows that even drainage can be clever. Its dual elevation design fits thick pavers or thinner tile-like ones with a top cap and a base tray. Pre-assembled sections make installation simple on sand or concrete.